Replace bread with this zero-carb recipe. It's the best one for breakfast. In a medium bowl, start by adding 2 full eggs, 2 tablespoons of Brazilian cream cheese, and using a whisk, mix all the ingredients very well until combined. This is the right blend. Now add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix gently. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. Next, transfer this batter to a medium oven-proof dish. Microwave it at high power for 2.5 minutes. After that, remove the pancake from the dish. And to make the filling, add 2 slices of cooked ham. Three slices of mozzarella cheese, and oregano to taste. Now roll it up the middle of the pancake. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. Cut with a knife and roll up the other half just like I did. Finally, transfer to a sandwich maker, turn it on, and let them toast for 2 minutes. That recipe is ready. You may now serve and enjoy it. I really hope you liked this recipe. Now I'll head back to the comments section and we'll continue to answer everyone who left the name of their city. And I'll also thank you for sharing this recipe. See you next recipe. Bye.